So real quickly, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the fob of your Subaru. First thing you're going to do is turn it to the back side. You'll push and your key will pop right out. What you're going to do is, this is where the key came out, the one space right below it. You can just use the back of the key as well. I'm going to push this key into that space and then pull, and that's separating, and you can see here I've already started to separate it. I'm just going to hook the key in there and then it is separated. That's going to separate the fob from itself, and now here is what runs the vehicle. If your battery is not working, you're going to turn it to the back side, and you're going to see there's towards the top there's two little tiny clips. You're actually going to pull up on those clips and get your fingernail underneath the back of that, and then as you do that, your battery will pop out, and you're going to take a new battery and you're just going to seat it back in there. And then once it's seated, you will click it. While you're doing this, you also have to be careful because you can take this fob and it can empty out the whole insides, which can be a little bit of a hassle, but not too big of a deal. So if you just reseat those, if you put this in the wrong way, it won't fit. So you'll know which way it needs to go, and those will just drop back in. So that's pretty easy to do. Same with this, it doesn't fit if it's in backwards. That's how we do that. And then we're gonna put the fob in here, have that seated, set the back down, squeeze it tight, put your key back in, and you're done.